What's up guys, today we're going to be talking about Recon. This is a play-to-earn competitive esports-like first-person shooter. It is built on Polygon. This game is massive and has conquest, rush, capture the flag, deathmatch. It's going to have plenty of weapons, plenty of NFTs, plenty of earning potential. Let's get into it. Hopping right over to their website, let's get right into some gameplay. Right here we can see the Recon Alpha Pass on OpenSea. You can come check it out, grab one if you want to get in the alpha access. Yeah, the Recon Alpha Pass is already available on the OpenSea website, OpenSea.io. Alright guys, make sure you join their community, follow them on Twitter. They're checking in at 3,000 followers right now. This is a dedicated project though, and I think you should take a look at it. Here we got the lead developer and co-founder of Recon. Here we got all of the planned features. You got abilities, inventory, voice chat, tons of stuff. Player owned vendors, game store, matchmaker, tournaments. So they're looking to make this into a free-to-play game monetized with microtransactions and in-game ads and player tournaments. So players will earn Recon tokens used as in-game currency by staking Recon tokens. Recon tokens will be used to enter tournaments. What I like about this is it's going to be a massive 60 versus 60 matches. That's crazy. Recon is built to get players ready to drop into a match or host their own match in minutes. Fast-paced action. They got assault trooper, heavy soldier, scout, sniper, and medic. So players in Recon multiplayer battles can collect NFT airdrops containing rare items. Also, you can earn a small amount of Recon for every kill that you get. So we're looking at when can we play if we have an alpha pass. The Recon alpha pass is your ticket to the exclusive VIP access to a series of events, entry into a private sale of the Recon token, access to participation in the Recon multiplayer alpha game release in June, access to esports tournaments, and the ability to host tournaments. That's crazy. So there's some good benefits to holding an alpha pass. Looks like you get pre-access into the Recon token private sale, and then you can also obviously play the game in June, and then they got the esports tournaments. All right, quickly we're gonna go over the tokenomics. We got NFT marketplace, obviously going to be built upon Polygon, the Recon tokenomics. There's going to be 5 million Recon token. 50% will be sold to public in the initial offering, 15% distributed to team, invested over 12 months. That's not a long time. 15% will be held for the play-to-earn pool, which needs to be a little bit larger in my opinion, and 10% will be used for marketing and the other 10 for media partnerships. At least they lay out how they're going to do their tokenomics, and they're being transparent about it. Looks like they're gonna have some Recon USDC liquidity pool on QuickSwap. The liquidity pool will be locked for 12 months. 20% will be used for development and 10% for marketing. Here's the quick snapshot of the roadmap. We got Recon token sale, we got multiplayer alpha release, NFT marketplace, public beta release will be in November of this year, and then January custom player NFT. Like I said, come join the Recon official Discord. Make sure you hop in the Juice Team's Discord as well. Make sure you come check out my Twitter and come follow the Juice Gaming team. We're going to be riding to the top of any massive blockchain game that's out there. We're going to be all over this stuff.